You would not believe that this is a 2-story RV with this giant window, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like inside. Come on. So this is the Alliance Benchmark, and this is their first destination trailer. Starting with the kitchen. We have a full-size kitchen with this giant island, a residential fridge, storage all throughout, and I'm gonna show you guys all the storage. I'm like a sucker for lots of space where I can,
put
hide
all kinds of stuff.
Stuff. So storage all throughout here. We have a giant window by the stove, an oven.
Look at that. Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I mean, so cool. And a pantry with these drawers I love. You can put your utensils here, and same as here. Put your snacks. You don't have to like dig in the back. You just kind of pull those babies out and the snacks come to you. All right, this island actually seats not 4, but 5 people. You have 5 stools underneath. L-shaped couch with an ottoman. You know, when it comes hollow like this, it makes me so happy. I can store all my books, blankets.
You read?
You know, I do read.
Magazines?
I do like to read. We have a area here where there's a televator that pops up with just a click of a button. Sorry,
Wrong
keep doing that. With a click of a button, you guys, and you get the point. There's more storage all throughout here.
And a fire pit.
And a fireplace.
Show us the shades.
The shades. Yes, sir. I will show you with the click of a button, you can put these shades up or down. And I love this wall because it's just full of windows. I'm going to put the televator down all the way. Boom. As if nothing happened. Now, behind this couch, you guys, I'm loving what they did with the design. They made it so homey. This little space here, you could put plants on here, you could put your photos, whatever you want. This space goes all the way down to the ground. So you could store more things. Staircase is so sleek and modern. Oh, I love the colors. I love everything about it. But it leads up to a loft area. And I'm going to just crawl over here because you have a TV. You have some shelving throughout, a nice little headboard and additional cabinetry. And a big window, as well as curtains for privacy.
Definitely going to need that privacy.
All right, next. Underneath is, by the way,
That
cool door.
Cool.
Super cool. It just, like...
It's a hinge door.
It's a hinge door, but it also, like, doesn't... It's a full-size door, and it's not like an accordion.
Not a full-size door, but okay.
It sort of is. In here, in the bathroom, which there are 2 full-size bathrooms, there's a shower. Close it with a curtain. In here, we have a washer dryer. Do you hear the angels singing like, ah?
High efficiency.
Yep. And there's a little shelving thing over there so you can store all kinds of things. And then more storage, you guys. We have 3 tiers of storage, which is like, yes, you can't have enough. A big window in the bathroom, your mirror and vanity. And then we have another door next to me. So this is door number 1. Door number 2 is a sliding door. So we're just gonna head back over here. And again, you can close this with curtains, close all those up. There's another door here that goes into the bedroom, which is right over here. And you'll see this is a king size bed. Storage up top. And then we have a fireplace down here. Drawers. cabinets that open up, a TV.
What's this storage?
I'm glad you asked, because this actually opens up underneath the stairs. They share some space.
Look at that. Saving space.
I love what they did with this design. It's just so smart. It's on the wall, not in the way. And bathroom number 2, welcome, welcome. You'll see a huge picture window. And basically, you can have a neighborhood watch here, you know, right from your bathroom. Super convenient. Let's not forget the storage. So you'll see we have a little coat hanger situation. Storage and more storage. All right, and then shower with a bench. You could pull that up if you need to, and you'll notice this little shelf here with just space to put your shampoo bottles and soaps and everything. Your mirror and sink. You guessed it, storage. The theme of this video is lots and lots of space. I mean, just, it's great. Like, I love what they did with the design, the colors. It's simple, it's modern looking, feels good, it feels like home. And we're not done yet. We have an upstairs, have not 1, but 2 beds up here. Now these cabinets are just built differently. Why? Because they don't just stop here, they go down. And you'll see some storage over there in that corner too. So that's how low they go in this guy. So you can store a lot of big things.
And there's a TV behind you.
There is a TV behind me with some shelving here. And boy, that AC is really going. You have 3 AC units in this unit, which is great because on hot days, especially in Florida, it gets pretty steamy. So you definitely want, you know, your upper lofts to be cooled down. And again, with the storage over here. And that is it for our loft. It's honestly so spacious, so open, and the colors are amazing. I already mentioned that, I know, but I'm loving it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this destination trailer. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.